If you're looking for a compact diagnostic tool that offers more than just basic OBD2 code reading, the OTOFIX D1 LITE is definitely worth checking out. This is a wireless automotive diagnostic scanner designed for vehicle troubleshooting with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can work around the vehicle without being tied to a traditional wired setup. One of the biggest features here is bi-directional control, also known as active testing. This allows the diagnostic tool to communicate with supported vehicle systems and perform certain commands or tests rather than simply reading information from the car. That can be especially useful when you're trying to narrow down a problem and want to test individual components. Just keep in mind that the available active tests and functions depend on the specific vehicle and its supported systems. The D1 LITE is also designed to provide real-time vehicle diagnostics, giving you access to information from the vehicle while you're troubleshooting. Another advantage is its wireless design. With Bluetooth connectivity, the scanner can communicate with compatible smartphones or tablets, giving you more freedom to move around the vehicle while working. The product is marketed as a global version diagnostic tool, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles and markets. However, it's always a good idea to check vehicle compatibility before purchasing, especially if you're working with a specific make or model. The scanner also comes with a built-in battery, while its automotive operation is based around a 12-volt vehicle system. And despite its capabilities, the D1 LITE is fairly compact. It measures around 23.78 by 14.86 by 3.55 centimeters and weighs about 1 kilogram, so it's easy to keep in your workshop or take with you for mobile diagnostics. It's also CE certified, adding another layer of compliance for users looking for certified automotive equipment. The current listed price is around $276.04, compared with the listed original price of $603.34. Prices and promotions can change, so check the current listing before purchasing. If you want to check out the OTOFIX D1 LITE, click the link in the description below to buy. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive tools, diagnostic equipment, tech gadgets, and product reviews.